What's going on, guys? We're going to do a quick video on Dogecoin. Now, full transparency and disclosure, I am not invested in Dogecoin, but on Twitter, someone reached out to me, do some chart work on Dogecoin. Let's kind of see some targets. Let's see what we could be potentially expecting. What's a good buy zone? What's a good sell zone? This, that, and the other. So again, I do this on a day in and day out basis for a living anyways, trading stocks and options, crypto charts, all the same shit, right? It's technical analysis at its finest. So with that being said, if we kind of look at the blow off top that we had here back in November of 2024, came all the way up to that, 0.68 price before drastically pulling back. We had a dead cat bounce that kind of pushed into the 5-1s, pulled back down, was looking to hold support here at the 618 retracement on the Fibonacci level. Again, that price is about 30 cents. A little bit of a back and forth action before finally breaking down. This is the candle that I want to focus on right here. And the date was February the 2nd. And the reason why I want to focus on it is because look at the extended wick here on this candle. This is a bullish reversal signal. Okay, so if you were dollar cost averaging on the way down, once we really started to get below 21 cents, that was an ultimate buy zone. Like, you had to have had a signal, some type of alert. I know most brokerages that you can set alerts for different prices if they're broken higher or lower. I would have personally, for me, I would have had two alerts here going for Doge. I would have had an alert below 31 cents and I would have an alert below 21 cents. And the reason being is this is your optimal buy zone here for that continuation higher. Now, here's the only thing with something like Doge. When we get into this bull super cycle, when everything starts to pump, when you see the blow off top on Bitcoin and money starts to fall into Ethereum and Solana and all of the other bigger alts, you're going to get that spillover into a lot of these meme coins. The thing is that with a 600, with such a high market cap on Doge, it's potential for doing something like a 10, 15, 20, 30x is like slim to none, right? Like 4x, 5x, 6x, maybe, 2x, 3x, yeah, more than likely. A double up, absolutely. So it depends on where you get in. So where I would be looking at here is on this next cycle, if we can take out, if you do manage to take out 68s, right? 68 cents, you get over 69 cents. That's where I want to sell. Okay. I want to sell on that run going into 80, 90 or $1. I know back in the day, when Doge really started to explode, that a lot of people were calling for like $5, $3, $10, $1, all this crazy stuff. And then they got burned and they round tripped it, right? So you don't want to round trip it. Right now, where you're at, I just want to give you like a good idea of what maybe you can expect. If you have an average cost between 20 and 30 cents, you could look between a 2 to 3x this cycle. Very, very easy. Okay, very, very easy. 2 to 3x. So again, I got $10,000 in. I might walk away with 20,000. I might walk away with 25,000. Right? I have 50,000 in here. I might walk away with 100,000. Right? I might walk away with 80,000. Again, everyone's budgets are different. You have $1,000 in Doge. You might walk away with 2, 3, 3,500. Right? Which is fine. I mean, for a trade that might last, I mean, once it starts to go parabolic, again, look at this is a daily chart. We literally went from breaking 20 cents all the way up to 69 cents in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Like, that's how fast that this goes. And that was back in November, but that's exactly how fast that this thing can go. And when you really look at it, right? I'm trying to zoom out so I can see more of the chart. When you really look at it, potentially putting in $2,000 or $3,000 to walk away with $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 is not bad, right? Again, if you're kind of expecting to put in $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 and walk away with 100,000, it's going to be a little bit harder. You need to find something with a lot smaller market cap that's got more room to X, right? So again, what project am I in? Again, I'm in Toshi right now. That's my meme coin play of 2025. Now, is there a lot of other great meme coins out there? Absolutely. I like this project of Toshi. That is what it is. Do I like Doge? I was a part of Doge on the last run. Okay, I was a part of Doge on the last run. I made some money on Doge. It is what it is. It just, for me, there's not a whole lot of value in the 2 to 3x on this. for what I can get potentially for something that might give me 10, 15, 20x, right? So again, you can even go to coins that are not even listed on exchanges yet. And maybe if they do get listed on exchanges, those things explode, 20, 30, 40, 50x. But, I'm kind of like in that middle tier. I don't really want to mess with the Doges or the Sheebs or the Pepes. I kind of want to find those lower market caps, between 100 million market cap to like 300, 400, 500 million market cap, things that have potential to do $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion this cycle, that's really going to be really good cash. But again, let's get back to Doge. What we're looking at here, good buy zone. Anything below 21, you have to pull a trigger. Anything below 21 cents, you got to pull the trigger. If we do manage to come below 21 cents again, you got to pull the trigger and you got to load up more. You got a dollar cost average, you got to get it down. Again, your resistance is going to be at 31 cents, so that would be a 10-cent pop from here, and then you're looking at 40 cents, a 20-cent pop. Again, it's about every 10 cents up, you're going to have some areas of resistance. This doesn't actually start, saying, hey, we're taking out all-time highs until we get over this 50, 60 cents, okay? Until we get over that 50, 60 cents, from there, I say we break all-time highs, and I think we make a run to 75, 80 cents. But you better be selling. You better be selling here. You better be selling here. You better be selling here. Do not keep fucking holding this thing thinking that, oh, we're broke $1, we're going to $2. It's going to dump on you. And when it dumps on you, it's going to come right back to 70 cents. And then it'll do a little dead cat bounce and it'll come back down to 60 cents. And that's the way that it'll kind of work. And it might find a new home around 50 cents. But again, you just want to be prepared. So those are the levels. This purple box is your buy zone, right? That purple box is your buy zone. We're buying. We're dollar cost averaging here. We are not buying here. We are not buying here. We are not buying here. We are not definitely fucking buying there. If you're late to the party and you have to absolutely buy it in the 30s, this is okay. But again, I want to be buying down here. Makes sense? With that being said, good luck this season, guys. Good luck this cycle. Hopefully we all make some good cash and we can come back and we can bullshit about it later on and, down the road in a couple of months. I'm definitely going to make more videos. Let me know in the comment section what chart you would like to see get broken down, potential targets, potential DCA load zones, potential areas of resistance. With that being said, I'll catch you guys all in the next one.